First, let's talk about Sri Lanka, where you learned how to
Surf.
surf.
Yeah.
It's a very odd thing to do for Uttarakhand. Honestly, there's no sea.
No,
And then suddenly-
yeah.
So
But I think I'll more love water sport than anything else.
You said that, no? Samudra dekh ke you got. Maybe it's because there was no sea growing up.
Correct.
In Bangalore, is not.
Bangalore
exactly,
में भी नहीं था. But anything to do with water, I think I feel it's a very nice way of unwinding yourself, forgetting everything,
And
the
also,
challenges
for me,
you get.
as in, I speak as a subcontinental type. You can urinate in peace. Anything if you're in the water.
तो बहुत करते हैं sir. I think everybody does it.
हाँ हर कल्चर
Yeah,
करता है ऐसा नहीं कि Indians only do it. You think go to Poland it will
Everywhere,
happen?
yeah,
Of course.
yeah. Spain में भी पानी
the
गर्म
pain
होता
of
है.
finding a place to pee, this that no हो गया. Just
समुंदर में तो it's getting washed nicely.
but don't do it, yeah, because
You see
marine
the
life.
Versova beach, everybody morning they're sitting in the line वहाँ पे as a
Is that your next movie?
जागर सुबह का
Sandas Festival. Sorry,
Nice.
too much.
I hope my
apologize.
film goes
I
to
won't put the words back in my mouth immediately when it came out. It's like so unnecessary, yeah, really. No. So
This is
surfing
fun.
you picked up in Sri Lanka.
I mean, I just did a basic course. This is
But
me
if they-
and my wife Vandana. We both are actors. We both are into this field. Since
But you love surfing or this is wrong information?
No. I love surfing. I wanted to. एक बार मैंने गोवा में थोड़ा सा try किया, and I said I really want to learn this. Anything deep sea diving we have done. I think
You have to
2-3
go over
dives.
the wave, no? I mean, like you've got to basically balance on the wave.
Yeah, so you're on
Which is
the
not
board,
easy.
which is very difficult.
Yeah.
मतलब you have to, you'll 1 घंटे की surfing में I was falling 45 minutes, or you keep falling.
Yeah.
And then that 8 to 9 waves also, they say catching the wave. If those waves when you catch is the high of
The higher,
You're
the
just
long, the
moving.
taller wave.
नहीं, I'm the very intermediate level. So they'll keep you a little
You
closer
sell the
to
concept
the.
now, so just act like it's really.
हाँ
high,
मतलब
no?
Sri Lankan waves are quite high though. They're very big, they're very high,
Yeah.
and they slap you from the left and right if you don't stand your ground.
This you do by choice.
Yeah. I think there is some kind of life lessons in surfing. You can just be slapped or you try
No, but
to
you can
go
look
with
at it
the
this way. Exactly. Again, you're out of your comfort zone because you don't know what's happening exactly.
Yeah.
You could play a sport where you have a lot of control, like TT or baddie or whatever. ज़्यादा तो नहीं है, scoreline can change, but you know exactly what's happening. Here there are too many variables, no? Because you suddenly fall, you think you won't fall, then you do fall, and
You
and
need
you
to
have to-
balance yourself.
how do you take
and,
the ball up, like with the legs still on it? When it,
No, you paddle and then you have to place yourself exactly.
but you jump. I've seen it.
Yeah, you jump on that. You place your left leg and the right leg एक ही time, and then you come up with your core and balance it. But it needs to go with the movement of the wave. Otherwise, the wave will like fuck off. मतलब नहीं होगा ऐसा.
Typical wave behavior.
मतलब waves. You have to fall many times. But I think it is beautiful that you realize sometimes you need to go. You plan things. मेरे लिए हर चीज़ में वहाँ philosophy अगर मैं बोलूँ तो काफ़ी बार हम बहुत plan करने लग जाते हैं, but sometimes just go with the feel ना, go with the wave. You just need
Like
to
you did
balance
today
yourself.
when you drove from
I
Versova.
was just
You just
I was going with the
let karma
wave.
decide my fate.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
started
yeah.
ACDC,
वहीं बैठा हुआ था।
ACDC.
मैं वर्सोवा में ही घूम रहा था उधर 45 minutes.
How sad.